Configuring NetScaler Gateway. Alright, in this video we'll configure NetScaler Access Gateway. So I will say that's configuring NetScaler Access Gateway. So I'll be configuring Access Gateway, and for this, these are the tasks that I'll perform. First, I will generate a certificate request, and then get a certificate from CA, install certificate on NetScaler, and then we will use the certificate when we will be configuring Access Gateway, and of course, finally, testing Access Gateway using external client. Okay. So let's move on to the NetScaler. Once again, no hard feelings. We'll go to traffic management, SSL, and let's create RSA keys and say wildcard. Yes, let me generate a wildcard certificate. RSA keys, key size 2048. DNFM is fine. Algorithm triple this. Password to protect this key file. And create it. Now let's create a certificate sign request. So I will say wildcard cert sign request, key file name. Here it is. This is the key file that we just generated. It includes our keys. Fill out the form. Oops, Aruba. No, I don't even know where is Aruba. We'll love to visit all over the world though. Castro. Organization. IPCs. Sydney. Test and ID. Issue unit is training. Common name. I'll say star dot itsense.com, and challenge password to protect. Oops, company name. I'm trying to speed up this process because we have done it before in previous video. So challenge password, common name. I want to generate a wildcard certificate and say create, and certificate signing process created. Click here to view, and that's it. This is CSR. Copy, and let's go to my certificate party homepage. Come on, come on. Come on. Okay, request a certificate. Advance. Alright. I'll say web server, and yeah, I'm not sure. Sure, I think so. And submit. And let's wait. Alright. Base 64 encoded, and I will download the certificate, and here rename it star, oh, wildcard.ipsense.com. I was typing star, sorry. Okay. We have this file here, or certificate here. Good. So let's go back to NetScaler. Close. Thank you so much. And let's go to certificate, and let's say install this certificate. Wildcard cert keys, cert peer, cert keys, well, any nine. Here, certificate file name, browse from local computer, wildcard key file name, browse from appliance, wildcard RS keys, PEM, password, and let's say install. Yes, that's the same synchronization message. That's fine. Now what? Now it's time to configure NetScaler Gateway. In order to configure NetScaler Gateway, we go to NetScaler Gateway Wizard, which is a quick and easy way to do it. Alright. And what's Gateway is? NetScaler Gateway is easy and secure access for client. And what we require, public IP address for NetScaler Gateway. Yeah, I will be using 172.16.21.197. Server certificate, we do have it, and a method of client authentication. Could be LDAP, local, and let's say for the time being we'll use local authentication. Let's start. NetScaler Gateway IP address. So 172.16. Here I'm providing another IP address. So what it will do basically, it will create a virtual server based on this IP. So say NS Access Gateway 1. If you want to redirect client request, so in case if somebody connect to vpn.itsense.com, I want them to redirect to secure port, which is 443. So my client don't have to write HTTPS, they can write HTTP and it will be redirected to 443. Continue. Okay. Use existing certificate. Yes, I please, if possible. I will use this one. Yeah. Okay. So a new expression. That's fine. All the okay. Alright. Now, authentication. I would say local and username. Say test local and password. Secondary authentication method. Right now, nothing. And NetScaler Gateway configured successfully. And this is the URL where we can access the NetScaler Gateway. Awesome. Thank you so much. And once it's done, I would like to, it went back to the dashboard, and what I would like to do, I would like to switch to client computer, and we'll see that how it go. What do you think? I think that would be a good idea. So let's do it. Okay, as we have configured the NetScaler Gateway, now it's time to test it. I'm on client computer. It's on external network. So if I go to IP config, it's on 182 something in external network. Okay. Now, all I have to do is open up the Internet Explorer, and I will type vpn.itsense.com, and it should redirect us to HTTPS. Because, alright, here we go. Awesome. So far, so good. As you can see, it's redirected us from HTTP to HTTPS, and that's what we have selected, right, when we were configuring NetScaler Gateway. That redirect my user from HTTP to HTTPS. Awesome. So I will log in as a test local, the one that we have created, and local account, login, and give me two options: connect to the NetScaler Gateway plugin and connector without the NetScaler Gateway plugin. So let's try the plugin, and it's downloading and waiting for the connection to be established. And as you can see, a lock symbol, and it is trying to establish the connection. As you can see here, it's not connected yet. And let's say log on, and it's trying to establish the connection. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, connection established. So it's connected. Okay. So if it is connected, then all you have to do, I can go here, and I should be able to access the internal website. For example, HTTP. For example, my certificate authority, dc.itsense.com/search. Oh, sorry. That's Google Chrome. Because I have done some testing in this client before on the of Access Gateway earlier, and I didn't realize. Sorry, this is the Explorer. Yeah. So we are connected now. So let me just close the Explorer, because oh sorry, go to Chrome. So if I go here, just to show you, as you can see that it's still connected. Explorer, Google Chrome is my default browser, by the way, and that was the reason. So if I go to dc.itsense.com / searcher, yeah, it will ask me. This will ask me to authenticate, of course, because that's in domain. I should be able to access it. Keep this in mind, it's not published through any virtual server using Citrix NetScaler. It's on internal network, purely on internal network. And here you can see. So if this is the case, I will be able to ping any other IP as well. Let's say 101. How about that? Okay, it means if I can ping, it means I should be able to access that website directly, web server 1. Isn't it? Yes. So I am on local network. And as you can see, my gateway plugin is connected. I have downloaded before. While preparing for the demonstration, I have downloaded the plugin because plugin will take a little while. It may give you a warning, it's a security warning. You should say proceed. So if you have a smart filtering enabled on your Windows, it may warn you, or shouldn't, depends on the settings. In my case, it did get a warning, but you can proceed. It's from Citrix, and once it's installed, that's it. You will see that it will be launched, and if you go to applications, you will be able to see that NetScaler Gateway. This is the NetScaler Gateway plugin. Okay. So I got confused because I was working through VPN, and then all of a sudden it gave us that window, and I was very surprised why it showed up like that. Why it gave me a login page? Then I realized, and when I checked at the bottom, we were connected, and then I realized, oh, it's Google Chrome. Okay, because the first time when I installed plugin using this computer, it was using Google Chrome, and yep, in Google Chrome I didn't install that certificate from certificate authorities. Just I used Explorer, and as you can see, just for a quick option, if I go to, let's say, HTTPS VPN. Yep. Okay, so if I log off is successful, close all tab, and now post cleanup window appears. That's for security, and it will tell you what you want to remove, like cookies or any web browser things that you have used during this session. This plugin is very secure, it's not connected. So if I go now vpn.itsense.com, I just want to show you the certificate. I don't remember that did I show you or not. Just yeah, this one. You see, it's from the Certificate Authority of ITSense, and that's the wildcard certificate that we generated using our local certificate authorities, and I installed on NetScaler. We generated CSR for star.itsense.com. And if I log in again with test local, I can say client less access, and it will give me this window, and I can add shortcuts. For example, I can say website 1, and address will be http 10.10.10.101, and I can add personal websites, enterprise website. That's the way of publishing it to users, creating profiles, file shares if they are. The path can be added. You see, it's normal UNC path. We can add here. So it's like a portal for a user where a user can access file shares, user can access personal websites, Outlook web access, as well as storefront. The storefront, when we talk about storefront, of course, Citrix has a NetScaler Gateway has one better way of publishing storefront. It's a product from Citrix, so definitely it has very secure way of publishing storefront or websites for your Citrix Xena forms. So this is it, guys. This is what testing the VPN, and it did work, and great stuff. Thank you.